Hello and welcome to Dataczar. Today I'm going to show you a quick setup for building your website with Dataczar Connect. So first of all, let's go to Dataczar.com and we're going to log into your account. If you don't have an account, you can sign up here. We have one. We'll go ahead and log in. Let's get our username and our password. Great. That's going to take us to dashboard on the main menu. Get rid of that. Go full screen. From dashboard, to work on your website, you're going to click on the website button. This is our website builder for post, pages, adding or editing a post or a page. We have page templates, we have appearance and settings. We're going to go over that in just one moment. This is what your website looks like when you sign up for a website, you register a domain. This is what it's going to look like. You have a welcome post. Your welcome page is blank. This is a welcome post on your welcome page. You have a newsletter sign up. You can remove this or keep it. You have your contact information here. You can remove it or keep it or adjust it how you like. So let's go back. So first thing we're going to do is go to settings. And in settings, this is where you can adjust your social media. And I'm grabbing a link right now to do that. Also, you can adjust your address information here. Again, you can include the business address, check or uncheck, include newsletter sign up, check or uncheck. So that's what we just showed you on the website. And this is where you add your social media. So we're going to go ahead and add our Facebook page. I'm pasting in the complete URL and then I'm going to click update. And there it is. So whenever you make an adjustment, always make sure you click update. So that's the settings. Now let's go to the appearance. And on the appearance, right now we're using the main template. So when we looked over at the AAA outdoor scene, the main template was white. We're going to go ahead and we're going to try Cyborg. And any of these top 5 are really good. Those are the ones I recommend, but any of them are great. So we're going to choose Cyborg. Also, let's go ahead and go to Advanced. No, go ahead and go here and go to the logo. We're going to choose a logo. We already have one uploaded into My Images. If you want to upload images, you click on Choose Files. We already have an image. We're going to go to My Images. And we're going to add this logo here. Anything long and short works really good on the logos. So we're going to use that. And again, we need to click Update since we made the changes. Great. So we covered these 2 buttons. Now let's go to Templates. And templates are for page templates. And what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead, we're going to add a blog post. And we're going to title this blog. We're going to include posts. We're going to check that. Make sure it's in the top menu. And let's go ahead and add a featured image. So we're going to choose featured image right here. Again, I already have it loaded. And we're going to go ahead and we're going to use this one as our featured image here. That's our Upper Yosemite's looking down. And then the blog image, I'm going to go ahead and replace that one too. Click on the Insert Edit Image icon. Click on the up arrow. Click on My Images. And we're going to use this one looking down at Upper Yosemite Falls. Or going down. We'll save that. Okay, so there's our blog page. Welcome to our blog. And we'll keep it moving here. I'll show you more about adding images as we go along. So let's go ahead and hit create. So we created that page and we used the templates button here to do that. And now that we've created a blog, let's go ahead and go to posts and we're going to create a blog post. And let me just grab some words right here. And on the blog post, let's go ahead and hit the create edit button or create new. I'm sorry. This is the welcome post that comes with your website. We're going to create a new post. So we're going to click the green create new right here. And we're going to name this El Cajon Mountain. And we're going to choose a featured image. And we already have it loaded. We're going to go to My Images. We're going to use this one of this guy here at the overlook as the featured image. And right here, let's get some words. El Cajon Mountain, San Diego, California. Let's go ahead and center that. And let's go with one more image. So let's go to the edit image right here. Oops, I'm sorry. Let's go to, we're going to add an image. So we're going to go to the Insert Edit Image icon right here. This is the Insert Edit Video. If you ever want to insert media, this is Insert Edit Image right here. So if you're in the editing box, Simple Code Pages, you're in the editing box here, click on the Insert Edit Image icon. Click the up arrow. If you have it loaded, you click on My Images. If you need to upload, click Choose Files. We already have it loaded. So we're going to go with this one right here. I'm going to use that and hit Save. There we go. So there we go. We created our first blog post. So we're going to go and click Create right here. Okay. And now let's go to Pages. I'm going to do a couple things. First of all, our home index page. I mentioned to you that it's blank. We're going to go ahead and edit that. First of all, we created a blog page, so we're going to uncheck Include Posts. We're going to leave it titled as Home. And then we're going to go ahead and add some stuff down here. And before we add the stuff in the editing box here, let's go ahead and choose a featured image. And we're going to go to My Images. And the one that we want is this big banner picture right here. So we chose the featured image. And then down here, we're going to go ahead and include some words. And we're going to move this down. We're going to center this. And we're going to go bold on it. Okay, so the title, we're going to go ahead and make that 18 point. And then the subtitle, we're going to make that 14 point. And we're going to add some color to this. Go to the color drop down, use the hunter green. And we're going to hit enter. And now we're going to add one picture here. So we're going to hit this is if you want to do a video. If you have a video hosted on YouTube, you can click on this. But we're going to go ahead and insert edit image. Click the up arrow, My Images. And we want to use this nice redwood picture here. Save. So there it is. And then down below that we have sign up for our newsletter below to receive informative updates, fun trails, cool photos, and more. So we're going to leave that there. Okay, so that looks really good. And we're going to click Update, because whenever you update, you have to click Update. And there we go. We updated that page there. And now we're still on Pages. So let's click on Pages again. And this time, we're going to create a page. So we're going to click on Create right here. And this is going to be called Photo Gallery. So down here, I guess we can do a featured image. We'll go to My Images real quick. And let's go ahead and for the featured image, let's just use this one here. And then we're not going to hit create yet because we're still building it. Down here, we're going to put in Photo Gallery, bold, and 18 point, center. And then we're going to click off that, hit enter. We're going to do a 3-column template. When you use a 3-column template, these pictures are going to stack one on top of another. So let's back those filler words out. We're going to back these filler words out. Make sure you don't go too far. And we're going to back those filler words out. We're going to back out the above. And we're going to back out below. Okay, now we're going to add our pictures. So you click on the picture here. Then you click on the Insert Edit Image icon. click on the up arrow. Now we already have this uploaded because I just saw it, but we're going to go ahead and go to Choose Files to upload an image, and we're going to click on our saved images here, and we're going to click on this cow picture right here, double click, and we're going to click Upload. And we're going to click Save. Okay, so we added that cow picture right there. So let's go here to our next picture, click the Insert Edit Image icon, click the up arrow. To save time, we're going to go straight to My Images. We're going to use this picture right here and hit Use and Save. And one more, click on the picture, click on the Insert Edit Image icon, the up arrow, My Images, click on the cow, Use, Save. So there, we started a photo gallery. We're going to click Create. And we're going to go back to Pages right here, click on that again, and then on the Contact page right here, we're going to go ahead and edit that too. There's the contact form right here. We're going to add some words above the contact form, so we're going to bring that down, and let me just grab them real quick, and let me paste them in. So we're just going to add some stuff. Drop us a line. We'd love to hear from you. Fill out the contact form below, or email us directly at, and then you have your email address. And if you enter your email address and then hit space, and you space out, it'll make it clickable. Alternatively, call us at this phone number. And then this is the actual contact form. So let's go ahead and click Update. Okay, so we've done quite a lot of changes. So let's tab over to our AAA Outdoor Scenes. This is the website we just made all those adjustments on. We're going to do a hard reset. We're going to do Control F5, and there it is. This is the new look. This is the cyborg. This is the home page that we adjusted. Sign up for our newsletter below. This is the blog page that we added. Upper Yosemite looking down, Upper Yosemite looking up. There's the blog post that we created. This nice blog post. Go back to blog. And there's our original welcome post that was on our home page, but now it's on our blog page because on the blog page we clicked include posts, and on home page we unchecked include posts. Here's our photo gallery that we just started, and then there's our social media. Okay, so let's go back. And one more thing. If you're looking for other videos, go to the Help button. Make sure you click on Featured Tutorial Videos right here. And it's recommended to watch maybe the first couple videos here. How to start building your website, how to add a page or a post. Let's go back to Dashboard. And that's it. That's a quick setup for building your website at Dataczar Connect.